Ever wonder how to cook a New York strip steak that's juicy on the inside and perfectly crispy on the outside? You're in the right place. The steak goes by a few different names: Delmonico, Kansas City, or Top Loin. But no matter what you call it, it's all about that perfect balance of rich flavor, tender meat, and just the right amount of fat. In this video, I'll guide you through my simple 6-step process to cook a steak so delicious you'll feel like you're at a fancy steakhouse without ever leaving your home. Let's get started. The key to a great New York strip steak starts with choosing the right cut. When you're picking your steak at the butcher, look for the one with a good fat cap and plenty of marbling, those thin lines of fat running right through the meat. The fat is what keeps the steak juicy and adds extra flavor while it cooks. For me, the more marbling the better. The fat will melt as the steak cooks, making that meat tender and flavorful. So make sure to pick a cut with a nice balance of fat and meat for a steak that cooks up just right. Here's a simple but important tip. Take your steak out of the fridge about 30 minutes before you start cooking it. Let it sit at room temperature for a bit. I know it's tough to wait when you're hungry, but trust me, this little step makes all the difference. It kind of reminds me of that feeling when you're days away from a vacation. The wait feels like it's dragging on forever, but then the moment you step on that plane or arrive at your destination, you realize the anticipation made the whole experience even better. Same thing with your steak. By letting it come to room temperature, the heat can get all the way through, making sure every bite is juicy and tender. So even though it feels like you're waiting forever for that vacation or that first bite of steak, trust me, it'll be totally worth it at the end. Now it's time to give your steak a little love. Start by patting it dry with a paper towel. This step is key if you want that perfect crispy sear. Any moisture left on the steak will get in the way of forming that golden, flavorful crust. Next, it's time to season. Grab some coarse kosher salt, freshly ground black pepper, and a pinch of garlic powder. Don't be shy, season this thing generously. The seasoning is what brings out all that rich flavor, so make sure to cover every side. Rub it in, get it all over the steak, and make sure it sticks. Don't forget the edges, and don't skip any side. Every inch of that steak needs to be bursting with flavor. Now it's time to get the pan ready. You want it screaming hot before the steak even touches it. The high heat is the key to getting that perfect sear. So let the pan heat up for a few minutes until it's almost smoking. Next, add some oil. Go for something with a high smoke point, like avocado oil. It's perfect because it won't burn, even at those high temps. Now let's talk about fat. Start by placing the fat cap side of the steak down in the pan. You'll hear that sizzle right away. That's the sound of flavor. Let the fat render slowly, turning into that crispy golden layer we all love. It's the step that really amps up the flavor and the texture of the steak. Let it sear for a few minutes until it's beautifully browned, and then move on to the next side. Alright, let's get that sear going. Place your steak in a hot pan and let it cook for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side. Give it a little press with your spatula or tongs to make sure it's making solid contact with the pan. That's what gets that gorgeous crust. Don't rush the step, just let it do its thing. Once both sides have that perfect sear, it's time for that butter bath. Drop a couple of tablespoons of butter into the pan, along with some smashed garlic and a sprig of fresh rosemary or thyme. Tilt the pan so that the butter pools on one side, and start spooning that melted goodness over the steak. You want to make sure that every inch of the steak gets coated with buttery garlic flavor. And a pro tip here, don't rush it. Let the steak cook at its own pace, and try not to touch it too much. This step is all about letting the flavors develop, so be patient. Your steak will thank you. If you want a quick recap of this video, plus my New York strip steak cooking guide with all the ingredients, a grocery list, and tools that you'll need, just hit the link in the comments. Okay, I know you're eager to dive in, but here's the thing. Resting your steak is just as important as cooking it. After a steak comes off the heat, let it sit for about half the time it took to cook. So if it took about 6 minutes to cook, give it about 3 minutes to rest. This allows the juices to settle back into the meat, making every bite juicier and flavorful. Don't skip this part. Let it rest for about 10 minutes if you can. For an extra touch, spoon on a little bit more of that delicious butter over the steak while it rests, and sprinkle on some flaky salt for an added crunch. Now that you know how to cook a New York strip steak to perfection, it's time to enjoy the fruits of your labor. Remember, cut against the grain for that melt in your mouth tenderness, and look at that medium rare beauty. The juices are perfectly locked in, that soft pink center is exactly what we're aiming for. Take a second to really enjoy what you've created. And that first bite is going to be everything you hope for. Juicy, flavorful, and absolutely perfect. You're going to feel pretty proud of yourself here. Alright, now you know how to cook a New York strip steak using my simple 6-step process. But here's the thing, there's another cut of steak that's in a league of its own, and I haven't talked about it yet. If you think that the New York strip was good, wait until you try a picanha steak. This cut is next level, and in the next video, I'll walk you through exactly how to cook it to perfection. Click right here to check it out, and I promise you're gonna love it. If you're enjoying this barbecue content, hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss what's coming up next. I'll see you in the next one.